iPhone 17 series, expected September 2025, models, iPhone 17, 17 Air, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max. Display enhancements, 120Hz promotion across the lineup with LTPO OLED panels. Base model increases to approximately 6.3, from 6.1, Pro Max approximately 6.9, and Air approximately 6.6, Ultra Slim, approximately 5.5mm body, thinner bezels and redesigned, smaller, dynamic island, possible use of metallands for compact Face ID. Performance and hardware, iPhone 17 Air and Pro models get the new A19 chip. Base iPhone the 17th of May reuse A18. Pro and Air likely pack 12GB RAM, base model approximately 8GB. Apple designed Wi-Fi 7 and 5G modem across models. Camera improvements, base, 48 megapixels wide and 24 megapixels selfie sensor. Tom's Guide, Pro, Pro Max, 48 megapixels telephoto with up to 5 to 6 times periscope zoom, 8K video, dual recording. Battery and design, larger silicon battery, 15% more capacity. Pro Max rumored approximately 5,000 mAh. Aluminum framing, Air and Pro, versus titanium earlier, one-piece horizontal camera bump. Timeline, launch event, ~Sept 11 to 13, 2025. Pre-orders ~September 12th, on sale ~September 19th. Caveat, standard iPhone the 17th of May disappoint power users with minimal upgrades.